So today we're working on the Pontiac. So Ben, tell them what we're doing.
So the main problem that we had last time we drove it is that the water pump just continuously leaked and it wouldn't stop. If you look under the car, there's a piece of cardboard. All that water is from the water pump just leaking. It just pretty much, it'll leak halfway down just sitting. And well, if we're gonna do that, we might as well do a thermostat, we might as well do radiator hoses and all that kind of stuff. So the water pump will be the prettiest piece on your car of all the pieces.
Yep. So we're just draining the radiator right now and then taking the water pump off?
Taking the water pump off and the belt and all that fun stuff. Don't hit your head.
Yeah.
Alright, we got the upper radiator hose off and we discovered that there is no thermostat in the car. So good thing we bought one. Next is going to be the water pump itself. So usually on water pumps, when they go bad, you can like rock them side to side and they'll move and stuff like that. But this one doesn't seem like it's that bad. It doesn't make a noise, but it leaks like crazy. So I think that's part of the reason all this junk we have in the front of the engine is there. It's been leaking. So we're gonna have to get it off. I think those are gonna be half. Well, it came off the top, so we can get it off the bottom. It's been on there a long time, it doesn't have to come back off. Come on.
Just loose.
Yeah. Yeah. It's just, I think it just has to pass through all this dirt. There you go.
You got her. Alright. There it is.
It does make a little bit of noise, but you know, with the miles on it and the age, I'm not surprised. I don't know if, I'm pretty sure it's original, but we'll see once we get it off. So, it should just be those nuts and we're ready to go. There you go. Alright, now you put your hand there and wiggle it.
Is it heavy?
I don't know.
It's probably heavier than I think. I feel like it's... I think it's like caked on the bottom.
That right side. Pry it while you jiggle it.
Still hit me. It's not really the top, it's the bottom that is...
Jiggle it up and down. Yeah, the thing is, it's got to go straight out.
Right. It's like all gunked up underneath there.
I'm sure it is. That's where it's been leaking. Yum.
Gross.
Yeah. You see all this wetness? It just drips from there. But you can look inside there. Look how nasty it is in there. No wonder it was leaking. That's why I feel like we need to do all the cooling system at once. No point in just replacing the pump. It's not too bad, you know. Usually they have play in them. They make all kinds of crazy noises. It's not too bad, but it leaks, so it's no good.
All right, so we got the old water pump off, and we were comparing it to the new water pump, and it's a little problem because I guess the vanes are going the wrong direction. So Ben's emailing the guy that we bought it from to see if we can get any information on it. Yeah. We're also posting on some forums online to see if people can give us some information on this before we install the new one.
So here are the old, there's little coolant passages that go from the water pump to the cylinder heads. Usually a small block Chevy has it all internal, but these have separate little things, and so these were obviously, I mean, to me that looks like a part number from 1955, so we'll get rid of those, we'll cut some new ones, and be good. So we made the discovery that we can't put the hoses onto these without taking them off. Luckily, it doesn't look like there's any kind of gasket on these. It's just, you know, we're going to put a little bit of RTV and snug them up good, and it should work. So, live and learn. At least we were able to clean these. These were pretty bad before. So let's put a... another one. We can probably clip that one a little shorter. Alright, we gotta go just a tad smaller on this one so it will fit. Alright, we got the little tubes done. Now we're gonna work on this bottom hose. I don't think this is factory, but either way, we bought this. Obviously this is too big. I'm thinking what we'll do is we'll cut it here and then here, and then put the spring in it, and that should be enough to have sufficient water flow. Alright, we're making progress. Sadly the wife had to leave, but I'm going to keep working on it. So, lower hose is in, all the side hoses are in, we have the water pump in. We decided to run it anyway, and just see. It looks like it will still work, but that's to be determined. Next I got to put the fan, belt, and shroud back on. Upper hose, and then coolant. The cooling system is full of brand new 50/50. I don't see any leaks of anything that we did, any of the hoses or water pump or anything like that. So we're gonna start it up and get it hot. And I'm going to wait for the thermostat to open. I have a new radiator cap, but I'm not gonna put it on yet. Maybe we can bleed some air out of the system. Finally got it to run. Doesn't run that great. There's still that squeak. I thought with replacing the water pump we would fix that, but you know, what can we do? I don't know what exactly it is. But we're gonna let it get a little bit warmer and see what happens. I'm thinking the squeak might be this loose bumper. Yeah, that's what that is. That's good. That's definitely blue cheese. You're gonna become a brother.